Hi, I'm Aaron Kiola. I'm one of the contributing writers for mnltoday.ph, and for today, I'll be unboxing an IBARRA watch. I came to know about IBARRA when it was tagged sa Facebook feeds ko. Natag ako ng isa kong friend, and acknowledge him as my kuya, when he linked this article about IBARRA watches. I didn't know about IBARRA watches. Nung nalaman ko that IBARRA watches is yung IBARRA watches yung first local luxury watch, medyo nagkaroon ako ng interest, and I came to know more about the product when I started doing some research. Before ako mag-birthday last March 6, I was actually looking for IBARRA watches. Tumitingin ako sa kultura, nung nasa Davao kami, and medyo very konti lang yung mga nakikita ko mga design. And I'm very happy that during my birthday, I was given by my wife this very nice IBARRA watch. So now we will unbox it. So as you can see, the watch has a black covering. There's a card. It's an envelope. Basically, this is the warranty card. Nakalagay, ito ang bagong Philippine time, ang IBARRA time. And then, ito na yung pinaka-watch. Wow! So, you can see, very elegant. Stainless steel and water resistant. Yung Displaridel model. It's a very nice color. I think color rose to. And the leather is very kumbaga quality talaga siya. Sarap siyang isuot. I think this would match casual, formal wear. And at the same time, even yung kanyang lalagyan, very formal. IBARRA Manila, likha sa Pilipinas. Now, si IBARRA came from fictional character ni, of course, I national hero, Jose Rizal, si Crisostomo IBARRA. And meron siya dito, Limita rin and Philibus Credits. Close sa akin to kasi nung high school ako, I played Crisostomo IBARRA. But anyway, medyo matigas yung leather. I'm wearing it now. Actually, si Sir Eric Corpus is asking how was it. He does leather crafts and medyo matigas na siya. Pero maganda yung pagkakapit. You can say that materials is really quality and perfect para masabi mo siya na luxury watch. So yun, of course, very thankful for Lara for giving me this special gift. And of course, saludo ako sa IBARRA watches. Ay makikita mo sa research, sa email, sa internet. Bata pa yung may-ari nito kapag talagang mag-invest siya para magkaroon ng kakaibang luxury watch. According to him, is the first of its kind na talagang nag-invest or sumugal para magkaroon